Hey everyone, so today we are going to build a clock using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's start. So first of all, I've created an HTML file and I'm going to let's type the code in it. So let's use an explanation now to create the basic HTML template. Then let's name it to the block, and we should first comment head tag. So this is from where it starts. So now first of all we add a style tag in it. So style, and I will cross it style tag. So we would first apply it to all our HTML content. And for it we should add a asterisk, and after that we should add color braces, and it's already giving me the code that we could write inside it. So now after that close the bracket. Now we should apply our stylings of body. So let me first write our HTML code. Or it should be like this. In body section we should write this. So in the body tag, first let's add a div container, and in this div we should add an ID equals block, but before we should create a class, we should add a class to create the box, clock box. So let me add it. And box. Now let's close it. After that we should create inside it two divs. First one we could give it the ID of clock, and then we could close the div container and add a one time. So it should look like this: 0 0 colon 000. So after that let's create another div box, and ID equals, it should be set to AM/PM, and after that it should contain text AM, and then we should close the div. After that let's use JS JavaScript to update our code. So let me add a script tag. In this GitHub Copilot is lively giving me to code, to refresh code and all these things. It automatically gives me all the code, but I'm going to write create my own. So let's first create a function named refresh clock. Or we could also write refresh time. Close brackets and then parentheses. After that we should write, oops, it's close. I should do this. And we should now create a const variable. Const now, now equals new date. Then we could use like short forms only. H equals now.get hours. Then for minutes we could like get minutes, and for seconds we could get seconds. And after that we could create const period like we could use this code. And now I think what we should do is like we could write inside it is h equals h times 12. And so we should handle also the midnight kills, like it's giving already me the code, but I just need it till here. After that I don't want this, let me do it back. And now I could write it const right. I should write const. Oops. And here I should write const horse equals string, and in it we should write this same code as the A giving. After that we should do for minutes and then for the seconds, and then we should do the thing that like it's saying dot text dot context, or and then we should just set the interval, and it should be like this. Let me now we could write here set interval refresh time 1000, and after that before closing this, so now we should just call the refresh time function, and over time would refresh. So I'm gonna call the refresh time function, which I think we should end like bracket before set interval and after this it should end, and then let's bring set interval like content back. Oops. And there should be curly bracket, and just the last thing is to refresh time. And this is our code for it, so let me show you how this looks. So it's just open. Let me just like name my file as index.html, so we automatically open it. So it opens it. today. Let's meet in the next video.